Good morning. Once again, welcome back to Basic Maths Online class. நம்ம last classல number plus 3 படிச்சிருக்கோம். அப்படிதானே 30 வரைக்கும் படிச்சிருக்கோம். 27 plus 3 is equal to 30 வரைக்கும் படிச்சிருக்கோம். இந்த கிளாஸ்ல நம்ம என்ன படிக்க போறோம்? Any number plus 3 is equal to 50 வரைக்கும் பார்க்க போறோம். ட்ரை பண்ணுவோமா? ஓகே. இப்போ இந்த ஒரு செட்ல எத்தனை ஃப்ளார்ஸ் இருக்கு நம்ம கவுண்ட் பண்ணி பாப்போமா?
எஸ்.
ஓகே. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. சோ ஒரு செட்ல எத்தனை ஃப்ளார்ஸ் இருக்குது? 10 ஃப்ளார்ஸ் இருக்கு. two செட்ஸ்ல
2
ஒரு செட்ல 10 இருக்குது. அப்ப two செட்ஸ்ல 20 3 செட்ஸ்ல 30 அப்ப இங்க எத்தனை ஃப்ளார்ஸ் இருக்குது? 30 ஃப்ளார்ஸ் இருக்குது. அப்படிதானே? வெரி குட் பாய். 30 பிளஸ் இங்க எத்தனை ஃப்ளார்ஸ் இருக்குது? 3 ஃப்ளார்ஸ் இருக்கு. நான் என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன்? காம்பினேஷன் ஆஃப் நம்பர்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் புட்டிங் திங்ஸ் டுகெதர். இந்த ரெண்டு செட்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஃப்ளார்ஸை நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போறோம்? ஜாயின் பண்ணி இங்க வைக்க போறோம். நான் வச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்டை பார்த்து நீ கரெக்டா நம்பர் சொல்லிடணும். ஓகே ஓகே. இப்போ இந்த அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் பார்த்து சொல்ல எத்தனை ஃப்ளார்ஸ் இருக்குது? நீங்க 33 10 20 30 இங்க 3 இருக்கு. சோ 30 plus 3 33. வெரி குட். த்ரீ டென்ஸ்க்கு நம்ம எத்தனை ரவுண்ட்ஸ் போடணும்? how many rounds you want to draw? Big round. How many? 3 big rounds. 3 tens means we need to draw 3 big rounds. Very good. For 3 ones?
3 small rounds.
Very good boy. 3 small rounds. Next, we want to join this two sets of rounds. Inga eludha porom. Okay? First, let us write 3 tens. 3 big rounds. 1, 2, 3. So, 3 big rounds. Next, we want to add this 3 small rounds. 1, 2, 3. Now, can you tell me 30 plus 3 is equal to?
30 plus 3 is equal to 33.
Very good. 33. For 3 tens, we want to draw 3 big rounds.
Okay.
For 3 ones, we want to draw 3 small rounds. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. Now let us count and see how many seeds are there inside the bangle. Shall we count?
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me count. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many seeds are here? How many seeds are here? 10. Very good. 10 plus 10?
20.
20 plus 10?
30.
30 plus 2? 30 plus 2?
32.
32. Very good. All together here 32 seeds. Plus. Can you tell me how many seeds are here? 3. Well, fine. Now we are going to join these two sets of seeds. Let me arrange here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you tell me how many seeds are there inside one bangle?
10 seeds.
Very good. 10 seeds. 10 plus 10?
20.
20. 20 plus 10?
30.
30 plus 5?
35.
So, all together 35 seeds are here. So, I want to write here 35. Okay. For 3 tens, we want to draw
Big round.
very good. How many big rounds?
3 big round.
Very good boy. 3 big rounds. So, I want to draw 3 big rounds. For 2 ones?
2 small rounds.
Very good. 2 small rounds. Plus for 3 ones?
3
3
big rounds.
ones. 3 ones. 3 ones means?
3 small rounds.
3 small rounds. For tens only big round. For ones you want to draw small rounds. Okay? We are going to join these two sets of rounds. First we need to draw big rounds. 3 big rounds. 10, 20, 30. For 30 we should draw only big rounds. Okay? Next we want to draw these 2 small rounds. And next add these 3 rounds. 1, 2, 3. For tens we want to draw big rounds. 3 big rounds. For 5 ones, 5 small rounds. Now can you tell me now 32 plus 3 is equal to?
33.
No, 32 plus 3 is equal to?
32 plus 3 is equal to?
See this number and tell me.
35.
35. Once again tell me 32.
32
plus 3 is equal to? How much?
35.
35. How many cups are there in one set?
10 cups.
10 cups. Very good. 10 plus 10?
20.
20. 20 plus 10?
30.
30 plus 5?
35.
Very good boy. So here 35. Now can you tell me how many cups are here? See the arrangement and tell me.
3.
Okay, fine. 3. Let me arrange the cups. I am going to arrange these 2 sets of cups here. Okay?
Okay.
10 cups. 3 sets like 30 cups. And what about here? See this arrangement and tell me how many cups are here?
8.
8. So 30 plus 8 is?
38.
38. Very good. So 38. So now we want to draw rounds. For 3 tens, we want to draw 3 big rounds. For 5 ones,
small round.
Very good. 5 small rounds. Say it loudly. For 3 ones, what I want to draw? Small round or big round? For 3 ones.
3 small rounds.
Very good boy. 3 small rounds. Fine. இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? 2 sets of rounds join பண்ண போறோம். Join பண்ணி இங்க draw பண்ண போறோம். Okay? First, for 3 tens, 3 big rounds. Okay?
Okay.
Next, we want to draw 5 small rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And add these 3 rounds. 1, 2, 3. So, for 8 ones, 8 small rounds. Okay?
Okay.
Here, 35 plus 3 is equal to? 35 plus 3 is equal to? What is the answer?
38.
Very good. 38. Sticks irukku?
10.
10 plus 10?
20.
20 plus 10?
30.
See this arrangement and tell me how many eye sticks are here?
37.
Very good. All together 37. Here only 7. Okay? 30 plus 7 is?
37.
Very good. 37. Plus here?
3.
3. Okay, fine. Let me arrange the sticks here. Okay? Okay, here how many sticks are here in 3 bundles? 3 bundles means?
30.
30. Very good. And what about here?
10.
10. 10 means what do you want to do?
Bundle.
Yeah. Now I am going to bundle the sticks. Okay?
Okay.
Tell me how many eye sticks are there in 4 bundles?
40.
Very good. 40. Now let us draw the rounds. For 3 tens. For 3 tens.
3 big rounds.
Very good. For 3 tens, 3 big rounds. For 7 ones.
7 small rounds.
7 small rounds. Plus for 3 ones.
4.
How many small rounds?
3 small rounds.
3 small rounds. Don't play. Now for 40, 4 tens. 4 tens means we want to draw
4
4
big rounds.
big rounds. Very good. 4 big rounds. Now tell me 37 plus 3
plus 3
is equal to
equal to 40.
40. Okay, tell me how many sticks are here?
41.
Yes, 4 bundles means 40. 40 plus 1 is
41.
41. Well done. Plus here
3.
3. So next, what do you want to do? Putting things
Together.
Yes, I want to arrange the things. Now tell me, see this arrangement and tell me how many sticks are here?
44.
44. Very good. Okay. Now 4 tens.
4 big rounds.
4 big rounds. Very good boy. For 1 small round. Plus here also for 3 ones, 3 small rounds. Now I am going to join these 2 sets of rounds. First, draw the 4 tens. 4 big rounds. Next, draw 1 small round. Now we want to add this 3 small rounds. 1, 2, 3. For 4 tens, 4 big rounds. For 4 ones, 4 small rounds. Now tell me 41 plus 3.
41 plus 3
Is equal to? What is the answer?
44.
44. 40 carom coins. What about here?
6.
6. Now 40 plus 6 is equal to?
46.
Very good. 46. Now see this arrangement and tell me how many coins are here?
3.
3. Now let us arrange these 2 sets of coins here. Okay?
Okay.
Here 40 coins. And what about here?
49.
Just see here only.
9.
9. So 40 plus 9 is equal to?
49.
49. Now for 4 tens, 4 big rounds. For 6 ones,
6 more.
don't play. 6.
6 more rounds.
6 small rounds. And for 3 ones,
3 more.
now let us draw this one first. 4 tens. So 4 big rounds. Next 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we want to add this 3 rounds. 1, 2, 3. Now tell me 46 plus 3
46 plus 3
is equal to? What is the answer?
49.
49. In one bundle, how many sticks?
6.
How many sticks in one bundle? Straws in one bundle?
10.
2 bundles?
20.
3 bundles?
30.
4 bundles?
40.
Very good. And see this arrangement and tell me how many straws are here?
7.
7. So 40 plus 7 is equal to?
47.
Well done. 47. Plus. And what about here?
3.
3. So next what I want to do?
Putting things together.
Excellent. So, okay. Can you tell me how many stars are here?
40.
40. Here 5 plus 5?
10.
10. 10 means what do you want to do?
Bundle போடணும்.
Very good. Bundle போடணும். கொடுங்க அவ்வளோத்தையும் collect பண்ணுங்க. Okay, thank you. Now, in one bundle, 10 sticks. 2 bundle,
20.
20. 3 bundles,
30.
30. 4 bundles,
40.
in 5 bundles,
50.
so altogether, how many straws are here?
50.
Well done. 50. For 4 tens, 4 big round. For 7 ones, 7 small rounds. Okay, tell me for 3 ones,
3 small.
3 small rounds. Very good. For 5 tens, 5
Big round.
Yeah. How many big rounds?
5 big round.
Very good. 5 big rounds. 30, 40, 50. Okay? 47 plus 3 is equal to?
47 plus 3 is equal to 50.
50. Very good. Thank you, children. Let me catch you in the next class.
Bye bye. See you.